Ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be installing the urethane recoil buffer on our TEC-DC9. On a separate product video, I highly suggest you check out the video I made of this dangerous aftermarket kit I purchased so you don't have to. The installation of this quality product, we're going to need some ultra black and razor blade. You can find these razor blades on Amazon, $10 for 100. Starting with a nice fresh blade. Keeping it flush and just slowly working it back and forth. Now that we have it started, we can push it straight down. Side by side, you really see the need for replacement. You won't confuse the sides, as you can see. This is our end cap. Now we're going to scrape off the excess. Off camera, we use some brake clean along with some CLP and a heavy duty bristle brush. Okay, I put our ultra black here on some paper. I'm taking a swab it. Placing it on the buffer itself. Just trying to get a nice even coat all around.
You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines.
Okay, now that we've applied it evenly, we're going to put it in the vice jaws.
I don't deserve a thing, and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
My first thought was to put a board with some weight on it, but this is going to work much better. Okay, our buffer is dried overnight. And it looks really nice. So I'd highly suggest you change your buffer out to a urethane model. You can see the old one here. Be sure to like and subscribe. Also, be sure to visit my channel. Check out all my full length videos.